Hi guys, I just got an awesome gift from the Crystal Collector. Why is there so much? Here you go. I found one. Autograph.
That's from the Crystal Collector.
Okay. Herkimer Diamond.
So cool.
I didn't know a Herkimer Diamond was gonna come. I got a Herkimer Diamond. So this is a very delicate quartz. So I'm trying to unrattle it without it shaking or pressing on the gem. Make sure to scare this guy. Twice rolled up in a napkin. Open up here. What? A Herkimer Diamond from the Crystal Collector.
Sorry. Oh my gosh.
What?
What else you got? Yay!
What else does he got me? But Dad, that was a Herkimer Diamond. It says some kind of calcite on it. And I know it's calcite. Ready, set, you get out of here. Ready, set, you get out of here. Let me just make us solve through all this. Wow. Secure. Cobalt. It's cobalt and calcite. I knew what it was.
It's that green running through it.
That's some cobalt and that's some cobaltin. What? Let's get to it. I'm not sure what this is. August 2. Dang it, let me read this before I tell what it is. Dust on attic. Haunted Ridge Rock. Haunted Ridge Rock. Hi, Crane Pike. Just checking things out.
It's Druce on lace agate. Sounds exciting.
I think I didn't matter if we have some scissors. I got the tape off, which will probably help.
At least we know when they ship them, they're not going to break, huh?
Yeah.
Nice and secure.
I guess I might have got some messages saying that they broke on the shipping or something. This is Jersey quartz. Oh my gosh, I don't have any Jersey quartz. Oh.
That's awesome, Jax. Wow. Cool.
Is this because extra packaging? Ooh, I got something now. Let's see what this guy is.
Did it come with a card? Oh, the cards are inside there, huh? Inside the packages?
Where are the cards? There is a card this time. I don't think there is a card. Look, I guess in Rattle This, there's no card attached. And open. It feels like it might be molten calcite. Right. Ooh. Molten calcite. The two pieces together.
Wow. That's awesome.
So, if you want to get a giveaway like I did from the Crystal Collector, go and get a membership to his Crystal Clubhouse. Every week, he will do a giveaway. Plus, you have exclusive access to his members only videos. Plus, if you guess the number right, you get a giveaway like I did. I only knew it was going to be these two. Didn't know it was going to have extra. I like the jersey cords on it. Thank you for sending this rock to me, Brian. The Crystal Collector. Thank you so much. I like the two extra ones too. And I really like these two. The Herkimer Diamond is really neat. Thank you very much. Just really, thank you. Aren't they also neat? Jersey quartz. What? Jersey quartz. Look at all this malachite that runs all throughout it.
Turn over.
I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's pink.
And green too, huh?
Yeah, the green is the malachite, and the pink is calcite. In case you're confused. I really like this Herkimer Diamond a lot. The Crystal Collector does too, and I think that's very awesome that me and him really like Herkimer Diamonds.